day. So with very little effort on your part, they'll keep your floors constantly tidy. We've tested dozens of robots, from cheap models that bump around randomly to fancy machines that empty themselves. And there are 5 best robot vacuum in 2023. First, consider the strong, durable, and smart now iRobot Roomba 4 EVO. iRobot Roomba 4 EVO, excellent cleaner, smart enough. The i4 EVO is better than competitors at getting pet hair out of rugs, and its nimble nav system helps it consistently and thoroughly clean large spaces. Like any iRobot Roomba model, it should be durable. The iRobot Roomba 4 EVO works well in most homes, large or small, because it drives in orderly, back and forth rows, keeping track of where it has or hasn't been, so that it doesn't miss any big patches of flooring. It also has smart mapping, so you can tell it to clean or avoid specific rooms. The Roomba 4 EVO is sturdy and repairable. You can reasonably expect to own it and use it regularly for years. It's also better at cleaning rugs than most other bots, and hair doesn't get tangled in its brushes as quickly. You can remotely turn the robot on or off and optionally set an automatic cleaning schedule. The downside is that it doesn't work quite as fast as some competing models. Another neat option. The iRobot Roomba 4 Plus EVO adds a charging dock that automatically sucks the debris out of the robot and stores it in a disposable bag. iRobot also sells a few models that are very similar to the Roomba 4 EVO and are worth buying instead if you find them on sale, including the iRobot Roomba 3 EVO and Roomba 3 Plus EVO with dock, which are identical to the i4 EVO and i4 Plus EVO but have smaller batteries, and the older Roomba 900 series. Like our top pick, the roborock Q5 can map multiple levels of your home, so it knows where to clean and where not to clean. Its maps are slightly better than our top picks. The roborock cap is easier to use, and it has a larger dustbin and a battery that runs more than twice as long as that of our pick. But the Q5 is a slightly weaker cleaner than our pick, especially on carpet. The Q5 is a good cleaner, although not quite as good as the i4 EVO. Also, the Q5 would regularly say that it had completed a job, when a quick look told us otherwise, and we knew that we would have to restart the cleaning cycle. Like the iRobot Roomba 4 EVO, the roborock Q5 comes in 2 flavors, with and without a self-emptying dock. We found the roborock Q5 Plus to be convenient, although slightly louder than the Roomba 4 Plus EVO during the emptying cycle. The roborock Q5 Plus performs exactly the same as the Q5 but comes with a charging station that can empty debris from the robot right into a disposable bag. iRobot Roomba 694, smart, sturdy, and affordable. This tried and true robot vacuum is much more durable and repairable than similar bots from other brands and is better at cleaning rigs, too. It's a nimble navigator that rarely gets stuck, though it works best when it has to clean only a few rooms at a time. If you need to vacuum only a few rooms at a time, and you're looking to save a few bucks, consider the iRobot Roomba 694, or really any model from the 600 series. You can find plenty of affordable robot vacuums that can keep small spaces tidy, but for a budget pick we recommend one of these basic Roomba models. Because they are more durable and repairable than other brands' bots, and they work better on more types of rugs, especially if you need to clean up a lot of hair. The iRobot Roomba 694 is our first budget pick, but really, any model in the Roomba 600 series is a good choice, since they are all strong cleaners, especially on rigs, thanks to the dual brush and dirt detection systems. They are also sturdier than any bump-and-run models from any other brand we've tested, which more than offsets the Roomba line's slightly higher sticker price. Eufy RoboVac 11 Siemens, quiet, nimble, and affordable. This affordable robot vacuum is quieter and fits under more furniture than most models we've tested. While it works best in small spaces, it rarely gets stuck, and it does a good job on bare floors and short pile rigs. It's not as durable as our other budget pick, though. Like the Roomba 694, The eufy 11 Siemens is semi-random in its navigation, so it's best for cleaning just a few rooms at a time. It's not great at getting pet hair out of plush rugs, but it works fine for keeping bare floors and short rugs pretty tidy. However, the basic eufy series isn't as durable as Roomba models, nor is it built to be repaired. The Shark IQ RV1001 AE is the smartest Shark robot to date. It has a self-emptying dustbin, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced digital mapping. The IQ performed well in most of our tests, only struggling with removing sugar from low-pile carpets. For a relatively low price, this Shark robot has a number of smart features that are generally only found in more expensive models like the Roomba i7 Plus or Roomba S9 Plus. Is the Shark IQ a good value? So all things considered, is the Shark IQ a good value? I would say absolutely. Is it perfect? Certainly not. However, the IQ still has a number of smart features and good enough cleaning performance. The main feature that hurts the Shark IQ's value is the boundary strip, in my opinion. For as smart as the rest of the vacuum is, it would have been nice to see digital no-go zones or infrared boundaries. A physical tape boundary can be bulky and a bit of an eyesore to leave out on the floor all the time. Should you buy the Shark IQ? I would recommend the Shark IQ if you want the following in a robot vacuum. 1. Hands-off vacuuming. The Shark IQ is designed to be a vacuum you don't have to worry about. Smarter navigation helps to keep this vacuum from getting stuck or going in places it doesn't belong. 2. Self-emptying dustbin. The large capacity, bagless dustbin in the Shark IQ docking station can hold up to 30 loads of debris from the onboard dustbin. This allows you to forget about emptying the bin for a couple weeks at a time. 3. A great value. Considering all of the features on the Shark IQ, the price point really is exceptional. The Shark IQ RV1001 AE is a robot vacuum with a self-emptying dustbin. The robot is able to vacuum your home and then empty the contents into its docking station. For most users, emptying the docking station dustbin once a month is plenty. The Shark IQ also has Wi-Fi connectivity, smartphone control, and digital mapping. It performed great on hardwoods and high-pile carpets, but wasn't great on low-pile carpets. Nevertheless, given the price point, it still remains a good value robot vacuum.